Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the wall outlet and any surge protector actually provide power. Plug a lamp or phone to confirm. Next, unplug the Ps5 power cable and wait 60 seconds. This drains residual charge and can reset internal power circuits. Once done, inspect and swap the power cable or move to a different socket. Observe whether the console LED blinks or stays dark, because that pattern tells you if it's a cable, outlet, or console issue. Now you move to deeper resets. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a full shutdown and clear transient faults. To enter safe mode, hold the power button until you hear a second beep, then plug a controller with a USB cable. This gives you recovery tools. From the menu, choose Rebuild Database to repair software corruption, change resolution if HDMI handshakes fail, or restore default settings as a last resort. Each option addresses different why causes behind a no power or no display condition. Finish by checking all external connections again, receipt cables, look for bent pins or dust in the HDMI and power ports, and make sure the power cable sits firmly. If the console still won't power, move it to a verified working outlet and try a different compatible cable. This isolates outlet versus console failure. If those steps fail, contact Sony support or a certified repair shop. Do this sooner rather than later, and if possible, back up any data before sending it in, because repairs can erase storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.